Whoa, this is so cool. So we are at Hunter Valley Airshow today. Can you spot the parachute? There are so many airplanes here waiting in lines to perform the show. Look, there's even a helicopter that you can get in and check out these. Now, are you ready for something even cooler? Whoa, this is so good. I like that you can watch it so close. Whoa, look at that. Oh, the performance today was spectacular, but there are no seats over here. So if you visit, make sure you bring camping chair, lots of water, hat, umbrella, sunscreen, and enjoy!